Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete and remove all likes on Instagram. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, you need to open Instagram and here go to your profile. Now from the profile, click on the three lines in the top right corner to see the settings and activity. You will see multiple options here. You need to scroll down until you will find your activity and click on it. So basically here another multiple options, and here you need to choose likes. So basically here you will see the list of posts and reels that you liked on your account. So basically you can filter them from newest to oldest, or from oldest to newest. You can filter them by dates as well. So for example, if you want, you can see the posts you like from the past week. You can choose the content types as well. So for example, you want to unlike only posts or only reels. And of course, you can see the posts from specific authors. For example, you want to unlike from all the posts from specific author. So for example, I selected the post that I liked on my past week. So now I can select the button called select in the top right corner, and now I want to select every single post here or reel that I want to unlike. So for example, I want to unlike only this post and this one, and all I have to do now is to simply click on the unlike button in the bottom side of the screen and confirm the action clicking on the unlike once again. And that's it. I have unliked 2 posts. If you want to unlike every single post on your account, you need to choose here all dates, click on the select button in the top right corner and choose every single post manually, and then click on unlike button in the bottom side of the screen. And basically that is it. That is how you can unlike all posts on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.